Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, I am Melissa, makeup artist. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this very dramatic makeup look. This is dramatic but yet beautiful, is to use at night, so I really hope that you like it. To begin this look, I'm gonna moisturize my lips. This is the lip balm by Xoxo. I really love because I think it looks so cute, like reddish in my lips, so I'm gonna just apply before I do anything in my makeup look. And now moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna use a good eyeshadow base. This one is by Sigma and this is the shade Ignite. So I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid and blend with the tip of my fingers. And now I need a black eyeshadow base, so I'm gonna use a gel liner. This one is by Inglot, and I'm gonna use the brush E06 by Sigma as well. This is my favorite liner brush. So I'm gonna create the cat eye effect in my eyes, just in the outer corner, but it don't need to be perfect because I'm gonna smudge it out. So carefully I go adding the product a little at a time, and this is the same liner that I'm gonna use to line my eyes and also to apply in the lower lash line. So this is just the first step. For today's look, I'm gonna use the Alternative Rock palette by the Balm. I love this palette. It's small, it's so beautiful, and have everything I need. So I'm gonna start off using this creamy beige eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend the shade into my crease using a fluffy brush. For this look, I don't wanna add color in my crease. I just want to have something to layer the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply, and just to help to blend a little bit. So I'm gonna add in the product a little at a time, but I'm gonna be careful to not add too much. Working this eyeshadow in circular motions. And next, to set the black eyeshadow base that I applied before, I'm gonna use this dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply right on top of the black base with the same brush that I was applying my crease color. I want just a little bit, so I'm gonna be adding and smudging the edges. And now the start of the show, I'm gonna apply this metallic eyeshadow. This color is so beautiful, so I'm gonna just place it all over the eyelid. To apply this color, I'm gonna use a normal eyeshadow brush. And now for highlights, I'm gonna use this beautiful highlighting shade. I really love the pink reflects on it, so I'm gonna add just a little bit in the tear duct area. This is the result, but I'm going forward and I'm gonna apply more eyeliner in the lower lash line and in my lash line as well. So in case you're interested, you can just leave it like this and just complete with the brown eyeshadow in the lower lash line. Apply fake lashes or mascara, so it's up to you. I'm going forward as I said before, and I'm gonna do my eyeliner using the same gel liner as before. Now I just applied my fake lashes and mascara, and boom, this is a totally different effect. As you can see here, I really love fake lashes so much. Now from the same palette, I'm gonna just touch up my blush And to apply, I'm gonna use the same brush as before. This is the Spotlight Duster by Sigma. I'm using all the brushes by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys my favorites brush set, which is Melissa Samways favorites. And also you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. From the same palette, I'm gonna use the highlighter that I used before in the tear duct area, and now I'm gonna apply this highlighter in the highest points of my face. And to apply, I'm gonna use a fawn strobing brush. To finish off, I'm gonna use a little bit of this liquid lipstick by Marcel. It smells so good and it's very beautiful. So I'm gonna apply just a little tiny bit in the center of my lips, and I'm gonna spray it out using the tip of my fingers again because I wanna create a very soft effect today. And to conclude this look, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of the Lip Strobe by Huda Beauty. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what I want to see next here in my channel. I'll be so happy to know. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!